think I have found my perfect aeroplane bag. I've been on a hunt for an aeroplane bag forever. Every time I fly, I get really shitty with the bag that I'm taking, and then I think I've got to find a better bag. And I'm not talking spending like ridiculous amounts of money every time I fly to find a bag. I'm just, you know, in my brain, I'm like, this is doing my head in, and I try all my different handbags. Anyway, I went into Mulberry. Can you see that? Oh, I better show the dust bag. This is a really big, hefty dust bag. My dogs are looking at it like it's going to be a treat for them, because usually if I'm opening something, it's a treat for them. It's not a treat for them. Stop it. Isn't she pretty? This was not the original bag that I wanted to get. What I wanted to get was another bag that they had, which is a really structured leather bag, which I think is just beautiful. I looked at it last year, and I almost brought it last year, and you know what I did? I went and got the LV Neverfull. Look, it's an alright bag, like, and a lot of people travel with it, but it's not practical for travel on aeroplane. And you want to know why? Because when you're traveling, right, you're not guaranteed to be able to keep your handbag with you. So even when you travel business class, for anyone that says, when you travel business class, you've got a space for your bag. That's not true. Depending on the airline, you might not actually have a space for your bag. So big, oversized tote bags, even though they, you know, they might look nice, you like them, whatever, they carry a lot, you might end up having to shove that up, and your shit's going to go everywhere. So, which is a big fear of mine. So I wanted a bag that was going to be practical, that I can travel, you know, economy up to business class, and not have to worry that if I've got to shove my bag up into one of those overhead storage compartments, then my shit's not going to go everywhere. So my fiance actually picked out this bag. So it's black on black, so the hardware is all black. So look at the plaited back top, and all the buttons and the straps are just all matte black. I love it. And the leather, oh my God, is such good quality. So it opens like this, and then like that, and then you've got two like that, and then let's open it. So I got all the stuff out. That's how big she is inside. So this is a internal pocket, which has got a little card in there, and it has a crossbody strap which you can remove, and it's adjustable. Again, it's got that matte black hardware. And it's quite long, like look at that. So I wanted one that I could do crossbody, but I also like that I can carry it top handle. Like, so let's look at it. Oh, like, hello. Oh, and so have a look at the inside, but if you have a look on the sides here, see how it's like scrunched in? You can actually pop this open, like so, and then that just makes her even bigger. And I love how slouchy she is. Like this leather is like so soft and such good fucking quality, man. Like this is really good quality. I love that I can open her up or scrunch her in, and look at it. Oh, look how big that is. It's gonna fit everything. It's gonna be comfortable. It's good quality, it's sturdy. I'm not going to be worried like if I'm on a flight, because I'm doing a lot of internal flights because I'm traveling next month, and I'm not going to be worried, like even though they're all business class, I'm not going to be worried if I do have to like shove her up, and I'm going to be able to fit everything like of importance in here. If you want to know what I travel with and what I want to carry, I can do a video on that. I do travel a lot. I travel overseas a lot. And I do a lot of long sort of flights too, because from Australia we have to. Oh, girl math. Now, if you're planning on buying a bag, you're going overseas soon, always do it just before you leave. I think you got 60 days or something like that before you leave, where you can claim the 10% GST back. So this bag was 2,600. I got it on sale for 2,400. 2,400? No. Sorry, 2,260. So it's nearly four. I think it was 2,600 and something. Anyway, nearly $400 off. And I'm also going to go to the thing where I can get the 10% back, so I'll get 10% back off that on top of that. So then I've literally saved like $600 on this bag. If you want to know more about how I travel, what I pack when I travel, my tips and tricks on getting like better upgraded seats and blah, 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 leave a comment. I'll do videos. Like, I travel heaps. So anyway, there she is in all her glory. We just love her. There's nothing on the back. There's no pockets on the front. It's just that one pocket on the inside. But yeah, I love her. I'm so excited. Yay.